How to copy video on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to CapCut. This is the home page. As you can see now, you can upload a new project from here or just choose from your drafts here. Now as you can see, I'm gonna choose just from my drafts because I have already this video. Now I want, let's say, to copy this video right here. All what I have to do is go down, click on edit, swipe right, and you will find the copy option right here. Click on it, and I just copied my video. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you in the next one.